At Monogram, we believe luxury is not just seen, it's experienced in every detail. Our professional range is more than an appliance. It's a statement of refinement, built from enduring materials and designed with purposeful innovation that fosters culinary excellence. The Monogram Care Kit is your ally in safeguarding the elegance and functionality that ensure your professional range continues to perform and function as the centerpiece of your kitchen for years to come. Caring for your Monogram Professional range is simplified with the Care Kit. Begin with a touch of the recommended cleaning cream on brass areas that are in need of a refresh. With a lint-free cloth, buff gently for about 30 seconds. The cream works to lift buildup and uncover the brass beneath. As residue is removed, the brass regains its luster and shine and is noticeably different from when cleaning began. With time, cooking residue can build and may not only impact the appearance of the burners, but flame precision. Burners should not be cleaned immediately after use to ensure the components are cool to the touch. To maintain performance, use the wire brush included in your Care Kit to gently clean the burner's internal areas, effectively removing food residue, buildup, or any potential blockage that can hinder the flame's optimal performance. If your burner continues making a clicking sound, even after ignition, it may be due to a few different issues. Common causes include debris blocking the nozzles, dirty electrodes, or moisture around the ignition components. Here's how to address some of the most frequent causes. Gently remove the burner head, unveiling access to the nozzles. Select the precisely sized pin from your Care Kit and use it to clear away any obstructing particles and debris. Then, delicately, use the brush from your Care Kit to clean off the electrodes, ensuring a consistent spark for flawless ignition. These last two simple steps are crucial to keep your professional range operating to its highest standard. After everything's clean and back in place, ignite the burner to test the flame's performance. A steady flame, with no residual clicking, confirms success. Each Monogram Professional range has two sets of burner accent caps, brass and black, crafted to match your kitchen's aesthetic. To reduce maintenance, you may also choose to showcase the brass caps when the range is not in use, and swap to black caps while cooking. It's important to ensure you are only using one set of burner accent caps at a time. For optimal performance and care, continue to follow these maintenance steps over time. Should you require further assistance or seek additional insights, please consult your instruction manual or visit monogram.com. This is more than routine. It's ritual, simple, refined, and designed to preserve what matters. The Monogram Care Kit empowers you to protect your investment with tools as purposeful as the appliance itself.